Spotify is one of the best music streaming services today, even though it has a lot of big rivals, like Apple Music, YouTube Music, Amazon Music Unlimited, Tidal, Pandora, SoundCloud, Noteflight, Deezer, and more. It has over 130 million subscribers around the world. Even though Spotify's competitors offer a wide range of attractive packages that some people may find appealing, this Swedish company has stayed strong in the industry. But if you've decided to switch allegiances and want to delete your Spotify account, you can do that at any time. Deleting a Spotify account. It's not as easy to cancel your Spotify account as it was to sign up for it. You need to go to a specific Spotify support site and confirm that you want to cancel your subscription and delete your account. Keep in mind that even after you've sent the request to cancel your Spotify account, you still have 7 days to change your mind. This is for people who might change their minds and want to reactivate their account. The reactivation process won't restore your account right away, though, and the whole thing could take up to 30 days. Once the grace period is over, Spotify will delete your account for good. Once the process of deleting your account has begun, you can use the same email address to sign up for a Spotify account again after 14 days. Here's how to get rid of your Spotify account. Open a web browser and head over to the Spotify support site. Sign into the account you want to delete. Click on Support. Click on Account Help. Go to Account Settings. Select Closing your account. If you have a premium subscription, click Close your account under this section. If you have a free account, select Close your account under the Don't Have Premium section. Select Close Account, then Continue. Take note of the information reflected on the screen and check the box. Click Continue. Check your email address that contains the link to confirm your account deletion and reactivation link. That's it. If you think that this video is helpful, we would appreciate it if you can leave a like or comment, subscribe to our channel, or share this video to your friends.